All right, so I want to show you how easy it is to build a complete niche website using the NicheBuildr AI software. So I'm just here at a demo site. You can see there's absolutely nothing on the site yet. I'm just calling it the workout club. So I'm going to build a website based around workouts. So I have the software installed on my site. So all I need to do is enter in any topic I want, and the software will help me build an entire site for me. So again, I want to build a site based around workout programs. So I enter in my topic and hit generate topic. So they're going to create a list of articles I can build based on my topic. So you can see it brought back 10. I can repeat this process over and over, but it's going to give us 10 at a time. So all I need to do is choose the articles I want created for me. So I'm just going to choose 3 topics here. And now I click on insert articles. And what the software is going to do is it's going to go out and use AI to create that entire article for me. It's then going to use AI to create a featured image for the post. It'll do that for me as well. And then it's going to post it on my site and it'll be ready to go. So literally all we need to do is enter a topic, choose the articles we want, and the software will build out the entire site for you. All right, so you can see it's created those for me. So what I can do now is I can go take a look at the site, or if I want to, I can add even more articles. So let's say I also want articles written on weightlifting programs. So I could add weightlifting programs, generate topics, and now I'll get a brand new list of topics I can also add to the site. So now if I wanted, I can add even more. So maybe I check this one, and I could check this one, and then I can go ahead and create those. And again, I can keep repeating this to add as many articles to the site as I would like. All right, so those are ready. So let's go take a look at what our site looks like. All right, so again, here's our empty site. I'm just going to hit refresh. And in a matter of minutes, we have a complete website ready to go. Articles, images, all completed for us. So again, the software went out and created each of those articles for us. It created us a great looking featured image. It posted it on our site, and we are ready to go. So just like that, in a matter of minutes, we have our site ready to go. And that is how easy it is to set up your site using the NicheBuildr AI software.